Fukubukuro, Japan Lucky New Year bags with a smiley face. So what are Fukubukuro bags? Every year, coming on to the new year, lots of major brands host this kind of Fukubukuro event where they put a lot of their goods into this hidden, concealed bag, and it's always good value for money. So they might advertise for 10,000 yen, you're going to get 30,000 yen's worth of goodies, but the secret is you don't know what's inside. So you have to be selective, you have to take a bit of a gamble. But going for good brands, you usually get your money's worth, especially kids brands as well. So I'm going to show you some of the ones that we got in the past, as well as the one we got this year for Mushroom Boy. Happy bag, yay! It's kind of time we got Fukubukuro bag, yay! Yeah, jump! Fukubukuro, yay! Dun, 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 dun. Fukubukuro, Fukubukuro, yay! It's a lucky bag! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. You got the lucky bag! Wow! Bag! Hat! And each one got plane and cars. Lucky. Luca. Lucky bag. Dun, 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 dun. Stars. Stars bag. Fukubukuro, you take the red one. Yay! Jumping, jumping. Fukubukuro. Fukubukuro. Hey, jump. Fukubukuro. Hey, Fukubukuro. Hey. It's that time of year again in Japan where we're coming up to the new year, and they have an event called Fukubukuro. Fukubukuro is like a lucky bag giveaway. So in this case we have two Mikihouse brands, two lines. This is the original one, and this is Double B, more for boys. And this says that for 11,000 yen, including tax, you get about 20,000 or 30,000 yen worth of value. So these lucky bags, they go very, very quickly. But we've got two for the Mushroom Boy here. He's usually, I think, 90 centimeters, but he's growing quick, so 100 centimeters we got. Let's see what we got just arrived today. Cool, so Mikihouse, quality stuff. So, whoa, this one piece is already like 8,100 yen. Nearly 9,000 yen including tax. And we paid only 11,000 yen total for this bag, so even that one piece of clothing is expensive. Whoa, they're all nearly 10,000 yen each. You get a lot of value. You get 4 items as well. Oh, that's cute. A bit cheaper. 3,000 yen trousers. And a Mikihouse top as well. And I like the bag. The bag's a reusable bag as well. Very cool. What have we got in the Double B one? Let's have a look. Open it up. But I can't believe how expensive these are. That is nearly 70 quid each. Good stuff. 4,000 yen. Nice shirt. Little posh piece of clothing for the Mushroom Boy. 7,000. These must be some proper nice trousers. Zubon. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Whew, 7,500 shirt. These are more expensive than my shirts. Because he's a quality Mushroom Boy. Gotta be dressed well. And 5,000 yen. So here we have the collection, the Double B collection. But actually, just looking at these, that means the original Mikihouse clothing is a lot more expensive. These are nearly what, 9,000 and 10,000. That's nearly 10,000 for this one piece of clothing. £70 for this one and £80 for this one. Crikey! Oh, that's a good Christmas for him. He's got his Jabami Yumeko figure. He's got his Fukubukuro, nice clothing set. Into next year, he's got his train set and his first bike. Go, let's do it. Ouch! Whoa, lucky! New clothes, do. Lucky! Wow! Look at the pass. It's our pass clothes. Red pass is a nice one. Wow. Hutch. Beautiful bus shirt.
Bus.
Das T-shirt.
Wheels on bus.
Wheels on the bus. Amazing.
Bus on.
Bus one, is it? Wow.
Bus on.
A stars one. A stars one.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Love.
Whoa. What's this one? Round one. Bear. Oh, bear. Amazing.
Wow.
Whoa, you got the bags. Nice.
Nice. No cool. Nice.
Nice. I think you've got all of them already. Lucky. Fukubukuro lucky bag. Yes.
Luca.
Blue card. Oh, this one blue card here. Wow. Which shirt you like? Which one you like? This one, red cars.
Big
School bus. School cars and green car. A bus.
Yellow bus. Wheel.
Wheels.
Blue bus.
Blue bus. Amazing.
Yellow bus.
Yellow bus. Mikihouse.
Mikihouse.
Mickey.
Bus. Green bus.
So nice.
Bus.
Bus. Wow. This one is 9,000 yen.
Bus.
Bus. Takai ne?
Bus. Takai. Bus. Takai.
Oh, what did that?
Blue bus.
Blue bus. Wheels on the bus.
This bus.
Oh, how much is this one? Ikura?
Ichiwa
Oh,
bus.
Ichiman.
Red bus.
Red bus. Ichiman. Takai ne?
Blue bus.
That's the best one.
Red one.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
That is this is a quality mushroom boy. He loves
Mini blue bus.
so many buses.
Blue bus.
That's a blue one. Takai ne? Sugoi kirei. Beautiful.
Wheel.
The wheels on the bus.
This bus.
Your new clothes.
Blue bus.
Really warmed my heart to see such a happy mushroom boy. And thanks to the internet these days, a lot of the Fukubukuro you can actually buy online. But your boy Messi Sai is going to show you that one year that I queued up at the biggest Aeon mall in Kyushu from 6 AM along with everyone else to chase the Fukubukuro bags in that super mall. The beautiful thing about that one event was as soon as the door opens, right, the staff were there from early hours and they were like, go, 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 cheering you on. Go, 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 Messi Sai. Obviously, I was in the lead. I was knocking away grannies and grandpas all over the place to get the Fukubukuro bags that I need. I'm just going to show you now some of the amazing haul and goodies I got. Fukubukuro, getto ze! I spent way too long taking off, putting on, taking off, getting on the ground, up and down, putting on the clothes. So I'm going to give you a whistle-stop tour of what I picked up before, okay? So here we have this generic Adidas hoodie. It's pretty good, it's pretty cushy, right? It came in a set, it gave you the tracky bottoms as well, some shorts, some shirts. It was okay. Meh, standard, right? What's the next item on the list? Let's have a look-see. Putting it on, model a bit. Okay, this Adidas kind of sweat wicking mid layer. This was really nice. I quite enjoy this. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's warm, it's good. It's casual. You can go out with it. Body fitting. Yeah, bit baggy, bit loose. I like it. Nice for a run. Okay, what have we got next? Ooh, getting dressed. Okay, Under Armour. Okay, so this was pretty plain, you know, it's a plain sports top, nothing special. Wicks the sweat as well. It was okay. This one I like. This is a kind of underlayer, so Under Armour, what they're famous for. Body compression, tight around the body, fits, nice big logo at the back, a little bit of kind of Spider-Man feel here. So this wasn't bad, still a bit plain though. This was good. I kind of like this underlayer though. This one is kind of heat tech as well, so it keeps you really warm, short sleeved. This kind of camo white design here. Yeah, I really enjoyed this one. I still wear this one sometimes when working out. Overall, very nice, very good. Body hugging. What have we got next? Okay, I really like this one. So this is kind of like a very slim casual blue navy jumper, mid layer as well. So on a cold night you wear this and it's actually really nice. The cuts on this are superb, really comfortable to wear, very casual, can go with anything, and inside of a jacket as well. It's really comfortable, it's really good. Okay, what have I got next on the list? I have, it took me ages to change here, and I see why. Booty! Okay, so these are compression tights, Under Armour compression tights, big Under Armour logo around the waistband. Yep, hugging around my thunder thighs, and yeah, what can you say? Looking good, boy. Good stuff. Too many pictures of the crotch. Luckily it's blurred. What have we got next? Next. Oh, okay. I really like this top. This top is an Asics top. This is better designed, I'd say, than the Under Armour ones. It's not so plain. You can see the cuts in the shirt as well. It really it fits nicely. Apologies for the blurring. It's I don't know where I am with the camera. Cool. Next one is a Asics mid layer as well. So this Asics was very nice. Kind of navy blue, bit of design. And an Asics running top as well, windbreaker top with a pocket for your keys and card and phone. Yeah, Asics, basketball shorts, casual blue shorts. So overall, Asics, Under Armour, Adidas. I think the Asics one had pretty good designs. Under Armour ones were very productive and Adidas was a bit boring. But yeah, Fukubukuro, good fun.